Dino decking, how to use fixing clips. To install your decking with the 3mm clips, follow these steps. Begin by positioning a starter fixing clip on each of your joists, ensuring joists are spaced at 300mm intervals. Place your first decking board onto the joists. Attach a 3mm hidden fixing clip on the opposite side of the decking board, using screws to secure firmly in place. Proceed to install the next decking board, repeating the process by placing the hidden fixing clip. Continue this pattern until you reach the final board. For the final board, install the starter fixing clips onto the joists and then slide the board into place securely. When installing a deck with the 6mm clips, the process is slightly different. Slide the 6mm clips down the length of the decking boards, meeting each joist spaced at 300mm intervals. Screw the 6mm clips into position to secure each decking board to the substructure below. By following these detailed instructions, you'll ensure a sturdy and professional installation of your decking using either the 3mm or 6mm clips.